Welcome to the second Isabel learning video. In this video, we will show you how to create a one-off and a recurrent mandate. To create your new mandate, go to the Transaction tab and click on Mandates in the left navigation column. After the Manage Mandate page appears, a list of existing mandates will be shown. If you are just starting with SEPA Direct Debit, this list will be empty. To create your first one-off mandate, click on Mandate in the left menu. Now you are in the main screen of creating a new mandate. The mandate reference should be unique and can be alphanumeric. Isabel uses a combination of the date when the mandate was signed and the customer identification. As type of payment, you can choose between recurrent or one-off. The difference between both is that the one-off can only be used once. If you want to debit your customer on a weekly or monthly basis, you should use recurrent. Later in this video, we will also show you how to create a recurrent mandate. So for now, we will choose one-off. You will notice that the sequence option will be disabled, as there is no sequencing when creating a one-off mandate. The signature date contains the date when the paper mandate was signed by your debtor. You can use the calendar to select the corresponding date. Again, we fill in the debtor data with the information we find on the signed paper mandate. On the creditor side, the identifier drop-down box will be empty, as this is the first mandate you have created. As explained in the previous requirements video, the creditor identifier is provided by your bank. Most companies only use one creditor identifier. As soon as you have received your creditor identifier from your main bank, you can provide this information to all other banks. The benefit of working this way is that you only require one creditor identifier for all your banks. This will make it easier to manage. Fill in your address and click on Save to go back to the Manage Mandate screen. As we want to show you how to create a recurrent mandate, we will use the button Next. As you can see, the creditor side is already pre-filled. For type of payment, we will now choose recurrent. You will notice that there are three types of sequences you can use: first, next, and final. If you have never used this mandate before, even in another bank application, you should use sequence first. Otherwise, it is mandatory to use next. Don't forget that the signature date is the date mentioned on the signed paper mandate. We again take the debtor data from our paper mandate form. Click on Save to return to the Manage Mandate screen, where your two newly created mandates are listed. To see the sequel to this walkthrough, please watch the video on how to create your first SEPA Direct Debit. Thank you for watching.